What a day! What a day, right? At night, we obviously had the sell-off in crypto that triggered other sell-offs in other markets, stocks, and the dollar obviously shut up. So other forex currencies sold off against the dollar. And but let's keep focus on Bitcoin as it's the main culprit of the evening. Well, morning already. So what the hell happened? Well, we swept for liquidity, meaning we took out the support, and we basically ran the stops. And as you can see, we're now turning around. So buyers came in. There was no more sellers. People who pushed this market took profit here, basically, for now at least. So are they waiting to reload? Maybe. However, the most pivotal thing you can observe today is the close of this candle. This is a daily Bitcoin candle. Why? Well, if it closes inside of this support, it's basically a false breakdown. And if tomorrow we have a follow through candle, so something like this blue candle right here or something like this, actually a good example would be, again, see, this is a fractal example of what the hell happened. A similar situation. So this was the support. Where are my tools? Where is my tools? There we go. All right. See, this was the support, kind of like this daily here. We sweep for liquidity. We basically, there's a bunch of orders sitting right below the stop loss because of the swing low, right? So we take those stop losses, and then when there is no more sellers, no more. I'm sorry, no more. All the buyers got stopped out. We are nobody's joining the party. So the sellers who pushed this price down, they took profit. So and then you have this close above, and you can see that it rallied afterwards, especially a couple of days later. So what is this? Well, if we have a similar situation, you would want to see tomorrow a candle like this or bigger that closes above this high. This is very important. It needs to close. I know everybody wants to rush in and start buying, so you're not going to be long at 28. You're going to be long at 30 and change. All right, but you're going to have a peace of mind because now you know that the stop loss is right here, and chances are after a sell off like this with indication around support area that we are this is basically an exhaustion type of move. If we close something like this today, this is just the beginning of US session. It's 9 a.m. Thursday, so anything can go. This candle can close on the bottom and look like this one. If it starts looking like this one, that means we're going here. We're going to be retesting the 2017 highs at 20,000. We're definitely if we close below the support. We don't have to close all the way on the bottom, but if we close below 27,500, I believe we're gonna hit 20K. If we have a close something like this or higher, plus a follow through tomorrow, highly likely that's a reversal pattern on a daily huge support. Look, this support is from last year January, and look how many times it was tested, probed, and tested. And let me actually zoom in and show you. So you connect this wick, and you connect these bodies, as you can see here, and look how well it served throughout. So watching this candle today is extremely important if you want to start accumulating position in Bitcoin. On the other hand, obviously the markets are getting so spooked that it seems that the sell-off will continue in other asset classes, thus driving this thing further down. So there is that. However, because the sentiment is super super bearish, again, always there is always a chance for a relief rally to step out the newly established shorts, because a lot of people maybe started shorting this, and they're gonna get liquidated too. So because the longs already got liquidated, who do you want to liquidate now? If you're a market maker, you have to liquidate the newly established shorts, and you have to squeeze the price. So you're going to manipulate the price same way you manipulated the price here to the bottom. They can manipulate it up, take out stops here. The 200 will be right there on the daily, kind of like you see, it tapped here and then went down. So similar situation can be, we can have a reversal, put a stop, run stops above these swing highs, and then roll over or continue up. But definitely, if we take this price up, I think that's going to be the area 40,000. Even though it sounds uh, unreasonable or highly unlikely right now when we're at 28, this can easily happen, right? So again, this was very super bearish too. We also might have some kind of scenario like this, obviously, because after a massive sell-off, after a huge move, there is a consolidation, huge move, consolidation. So we might just be dicking around in this zone here before rolling over or going up. But then we'll have a range that we can play inside of for days to come. But again, let's watch this close and go from there. As always, you're more than welcome to step by a free Telegram group to discuss all this. And yeah, I hope you guys didn't damage your wallets too bad and didn't overtrade. So hope it helps. Enjoy.